Okay, so in this video, I want to go over how my group members and I seen some serious gains on February 24th. We got in these trades like the 23rd, the day before. And if you look here, this is my stock options group here, and myself on the SP 500. I had 600% gain, GE 200% gain, Pepsi 212% gain. Other group members, we just did big numbers in just one day of trading. But the stock that I want to zone in on is Amazon. So let me go back here. All right, I'm going to zone in on how we turned $200 into over $2,300 profit for an 1,100% gain, so over 1,000% profit. So let me show you how this trade came about. All right, so let's break this down. So this was the day of the 23rd, February 23rd, right? So what I mainly do is first thing I do is I zone out to my weekly chart and I set my Fibonacci levels, right, for the upcoming week. So this was the previous week here. Because I was bearish on Amazon and the other trades, we all were bearish on the market period. So we took the lows and the highs of the previous week. So let's see here. Go to my 1 hour time frame. This is the time frame I love to trade on. And let me break this trade down, starting at the 23rd here. All right. So this is what we noticed. The second thing I ended up doing was looking at this indicator called the TTM squeeze. This is created by Mr. John Carter. And of course, this is on TD Ameritrade. If you have Thinkorswim, you can add this to your arsenal. Definitely want to have this. But one thing that I definitely pay attention to is the momentum. We're all in the group. We're momentum traders. So once this stock was above, above this line here on the TTM squeeze. So basically, this is called the zero line. We see all those dots there. This is the histogram. So the histogram went above the zero line, right? And then as it started to come down, so right here, the light blue, it indicates, bullish momentum. So the stock is basically saying it's in an uptrend. But once it lost that momentum and turned to dark blue, that means it was bearish, right? And then this other indicator, this is pretty much the norm. Everyone knows this indicator is called the MACD. I saw bearish momentum here as well. So my candle started to turn red, indicating more bearish activity. So therefore, we took the trade in the group, and then this stock just continued to just trend down, just going momentum. And this was still the 23rd, right? So we're just holding the trade. Next day, boom, it comes on down, and we hit this low here at the 227.2% Fibonacci extension. So it made it from here at this level, and this stock was up at Amazon was at $3,005, right? Came all the way down to $27.77. So that was a huge gain. So we did that, and of course there were other trades like Pepsi and the SP 500 that we got in and made significant gains, as you guys noticed earlier. This was another trade I got in. I think on this one, let's look at the numbers here. I just did like a small trade on this and just see what it'd do, but I pretty much knew that it would go down the next day. So here we just turned $41. See the average cost there, $41 into $157 profit. So that was 382% 8% profit gain, right? And that was on Pepsi. So we bought a put, as you can see, a put option. So the day before, see, like I said, it was losing momentum. So I knew that with the trend candles here, the daily trend candles were still red. Then I ended up getting red trend candles on my hourly time frame. And we started going down, right? So it started losing momentum on the TTM squeeze and on the MACD. So that was enough for me to say, okay, this trade should work and it should hold to the downside. So it came all the way down to the 161.8% extension, right? So we're looking forward to a great week this week as well. Those are just some great trades that we did. If you guys want to be part of this group, you want to go to, let's see here. You want to go to patreon.com/stock options trading, right? And you'll be able to become a group member here. We have different levels here. Here for $9.97 per month. That's where you will see my breakdowns and how I come up with my picks. And I'm going live as well on Facebook and just different places like that. But the main thing, if you want to just join the group and just get my stock option picks without going through the whole education process, all you have to do is just, be ready for my picks near the end of the day. Next day, you of course, get the type of returns that we get every single day. So check this out. That's just $99 per month. Just click join and we'll get you started. That's it for me, guys.